Wow, we haven't stood so close together in ages. Taking a photo here must be really meaningful.
Exactly. Hurry up and take it. We need to hold on to this moment well.
Wow, we haven't stood so close together in ages. Taking a photo here must be really meaningful.
Exactly. Hurry up and take it. We need to hold on to this moment well.
是啊，快拍吧，要把这一刻好好留住。
好久没这么近站在一起了，拍照一定很有意义。
丽江这美景真适合和最爱的人一起分享。
好呀，留下更多美好的回忆。
等下次枫叶红透的时候，咱们还来这条小路走好不好？上次来太早，好多叶子都没染上颜色呢。
好呀，到时候咱们多带个保温杯，装着你煮的热奶茶，走累了就坐在路边的长椅上喝一口，慢慢等夕阳落在枫叶上，肯定比这次还好看。
What is up, everyone? I am CK. Today, we're unlocking a superpower, making two AI characters talk using the Y2.1 and infinite talk models.
Yo, I'm KM, a two-person dialogue. Awesome. I'm so tired of AI just talking to themselves. But CK, I heard R is the hot new thing. Why are you still using the old model, 2.1?
Haha, you're such a tech trendsetter. You're right. I was planning to wait for one, R to be integrated before releasing this. But the big guns haven't sorted it out yet, and I couldn't wait. Plus, honestly, even with the results from today's workflow will absolutely blow your mind.
For real, I remember just a few months ago, seeing a 1-minute AI singing video felt like magic. Back then, trying to run a 10-second video on Running Hub felt like the machine needed CPR.
You are not wrong, but times have changed. Running Hub's memory has doubled from 24 gigabytes to 48 gigabytes, and its processing power is off the charts. But the most important reason I am introducing this workflow today is...
What is it? Is it going to do my homework for me?
Way cooler than that. It means we've finally collected all the Dragon Balls. By combining this two-person dialogue flow with all the techniques I've taught before, you now have everything you need to create a complete AI short film.
Oh my gosh, we can really make our own AI blockbusters, like commercial grade.
That is my goal. From now on, I'll be guiding you all to connect the dots and create commercially viable short films. But before you start your directing career, I've put all the workflows on Running Hub so you don't have to deal with environment setup and dependency conflicts anymore. All the complicated settings are done for you so you can spend your time creating, not fighting with code. There is a link in the comments, click it for 1,000 free credits, and you can get an extra 100 every day just by logging in. That is more than enough to test the waters or build your own setup.
That is fantastic. I can't wait. Come on, same as always. Show us the core nodes of this workflow.
No problem. Let's get started. Alright, let's break down how this workflow does its magic. First up, here is our sample footage.
Oh, WW, they look like a super lovey couple.
Let's cut to the chase and get to the core. First, the model loading area. You have to use the YE IV14B model here, and I mean Swanhive to war. Otherwise, I can't guarantee the results won't be a total mess.
14B, as in 14 billion parameters. That model is bigger than my entire hard drive.
On Running Hub, it can handle resolutions like 768 x 1344 or 1024 x 1024. No problem. These here are some accelerator nodes and connections, and everyone should be familiar with the Lighty 2 volts accelerator model by now. Next is the Infinite Talk model loader. It used to be called Multitalk, but it got an upgrade. Moving on to the sampling area, our main focus here is the mask.
Getting ready to give them some digital face paint?
Exactly. In the load image node, we need to mask out the faces. Just right-click and open it in the editor.
Roger that. The digital operating room is prepped.
This part can be a little slow, so just give it a second. Okay, now we can adjust the brush size and just paint over both of their faces. It doesn't have to be perfect, a rough cover will do.
This feels like I am redacting a classified document.
The most critical part, these two mask areas cannot touch. If they do, the model won't be able to recognize them as separate. Once you are done, just click Save.
Voil!
See, the mask is loaded. Next, the text and audio section. You can choose between manual or automatic prompt input. We'll go with manual. These are the reference audio files. The first one is for the person on the left, and the second is for the person on the right.
Better not mix those two up.
It is crucial. Don't mix them up, or they'll be speaking each other's lines. The model's detection order is strictly left to right. Next up is audio slicing. For instance, my audio clip is only 6 seconds long, but I've set the slice duration to 1 minute here. That is fine, as long as the set time is longer than the actual audio. Then we have the maximum video dimension limit. The recommended setting is 832, but you can push it to 1024. Just know it'll take longer to generate, and 1024 is the max for now. We'll be rolling out an upscaler model later, which will let you generate 2K and even 4K videos. This sets the total duration in seconds. See, our 2 audio clips combined are only 10 seconds long, but I've set it to 80. That is perfectly fine because the process will automatically stop once it runs out of audio. And one more thing, this little math expression here. It basically sets our video to 25 frames per second. This is crucial for audio quality. Anything less than 25 FPS and the sound will suffer big time. The rest is just wiring up these samplers, which you can check out on your own. When you are ready, just hit run and you are good to go.
Wow, it really works. I've already got 100 scripts in my head, ready to be filmed.
Haha, the world is your stage. Go create!
Thanks to CK&KM for the wonderful explanation. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.